Have you ever been excited to use a new feature in your app, only to be stopped in your tracks by an error message? It can be incredibly frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're tackling an issue with the Google Maps API and the GMSPlacePickerViewController. I totally understand how annoying it is when you think you've made the right changes in your code, only to be met with warnings and errors. You're definitely not alone in this. Many developers face similar challenges when adapting to updates in APIs. Here's the specific situation we're looking at. A user recently encountered the error message. A delegate has not been set on an instance of GMSPlacePickerViewController before use. They switched to the new GMSPlacePickerViewController, but are still facing issues. Sound familiar? Let's dig into this together and find a solution. So, what could be causing this error? The warning indicates that the delegate for the GMSPlacePickerViewController hasn't been set, which can lead to undefined behavior. This is crucial for managing selections and dismissing screens properly. Let's break it down step by step. And don't go anywhere. I've got a crucial tip at the end that will help you avoid these kinds of issues in the future. To resolve the warning about the delegate not being set, the user should first ensure that they are correctly initializing the GMSPlacePickerViewController instance. Next, the user must set the delegate for the GMSPlacePickerViewController instance. This is crucial for handling user interactions and dismissing the view controller properly. After setting the delegate, the user should present the GMSPlacePickerViewController. This can be done by calling the present method on the current view controller. Finally, the user should implement the delegate methods to handle the selection of a place and to dismiss the picker when done. This ensures that the app behaves as expected. Fun fact, did you know that the GMSPlacePicker was once the go-to for selecting places, but now it's been replaced? It's like how we used to use flip phones before smartphones took over. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests resolving the delegate issue by properly setting the delegate for the GMSPlacePickerViewController. They recommend using the following code to configure and present the place picker. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests ensuring that you set the delegate for the GMSPlacePickerViewController. They emphasize that this step is crucial to avoid the warning about the delegate not being set. The user shares a code snippet that demonstrates how to properly configure the place picker and set the delegate to self. Additionally, the user highlights the importance of implementing the delegate methods to handle the selection and cancellation of the place picker. This ensures that the app can manage the life cycle of the place picker correctly. Here's the tip I promised. Always remember to set your delegates. This simple step can save you from a lot of headaches down the line. And there you have it. By setting the delegate correctly, you should be able to use the GMSPlacePickerViewController without any issues. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips, and don't miss our next video where we dive deeper into Google Maps API features.